How the fuck did I fuck that up? Did you get up all right, did you?
Yeah. First gear, power. Just stay at that middle line on the stones. As soon as you lose momentum though, you
Sorry, it's not.
as soon as you lose momentum,
Yeah.
those stones, the slippy mark fell off then. It took him ages to get going again. Unlucky, so close. So did I. You've done the hard bit. Beans, give us some beans. Lick the stamp. Yeah. He's got it. Go on, boy. Go on, beans, beans. Yes.
Woo! Get on.